everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahartethstrcourses. Today we are going to learn about DNA and RNA. Before we start to learn about DNA and RNA, let's know their full forms. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and the full form of RNA is ribonucleic acids. DNA and RNA are genetic materials inside our bodies that contain important information. Now you might ask, what is this important information about? Let me explain to you this in a simple manner. Like a recipe book tells us how to make a dish, what are the ingredients required to make it, what are the steps we should follow, just like that, the DNA is that recipe book which tells our body how to make all the different parts of our body and how they should work. It is made up of a special kind of sugar called deoxyribose, and it is made up of 4 different types of nitrogenous bases, namely A for adenine, T for thymine, C for cytosine, and G for guanine. These bases act like letters and spell out instructions on how to make proteins, which are like the building blocks of our bodies. Now that we know about DNA, let's talk about RNA. RNA is like a messenger that helps to carry these instructions from the DNA to the place where the proteins are made, which is the ribosome. It is made up of different kind of sugar called the ribose sugar, and it has the 3 of the same letters as DNA. They are A, C and G. But instead of T, that is thymine, it has a different letter called U, which stands for uracil. Let me break this down to you in a simpler manner. Think of it like this. DNA is the boss who gives orders and RNA is the delivery person who brings those orders to the workers who will make the final product. DNA is usually found in the nucleus of our cells, while RNA can be found both in the nucleus and outside the nucleus. DNA is a double-stranded structure, which means it looks like a twisted ladder, while RNA is a single-stranded structure. DNA is very important and our bodies have special ways of protecting it, like repairing it if it gets damaged, so that the information it contains doesn't get lost. Now that we have learned about DNA and RNA, let's have a look at major differences between them. Sugar moiety in DNA is deoxyribose, whereas the sugar moiety in RNAs is ribose. The bases present in DNA are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Uracil is not present. RNA has the bases like adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosine. Thymine is rarely present. DNA is double-stranded molecule, whereas the RNA is a single-stranded molecule, as we have seen before in the pictures. The bases are not modified in DNA, but the bases are modified in RNA. In DNA, it is a stable structure, right? And it cannot be hydrolyzed easily by alkalis. But RNA is an unstable structure, and so it can be hydrolyzed easily by alkalis. The DNA content is constant in all the cells except during cell division. But the RNA content varies from cell to cell. The lifetime of DNA is comparatively high because it is a stable structure, but RNA is a short-lived molecule because it has an unstable structure. No natural DNA is catalytic. Catalytic means it cannot act as an enzyme in the metabolic reactions that take place in our body. But RNA can be catalytic. It can act as an enzyme in the metabolic reactions that take place in our body. The DNA is present in the nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplast, whereas the RNA is present in the nucleus, mitochondria, nucleolus, ribosomes, and cytosol, which is also the cytoplasm of the cell. Hope you liked our video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section below. It really motivates us a lot to make new videos. So, see you in the next class. Bye-bye.